you ever have that problem where you can't figure out how to not even sell to that client, but you can't adjust and figure out the steps to make it to get to where they want to have your service that you're promoting? Well, I'm here to help you. And the steps that I use to generate a lot of leads and secure those leads is called P.E.R.S. P.E.R.S. It's where you find a problem, you educate them on what happens with these problems, then you relate to them, then after you relate it, then you provide the solution. So, like I said before, get your pen and pad out. iPad is what I'm really meaning because it's 2018. So, write down the problem first for the business that you want to target. Once you write down that problem, and these shouldn't just be one-off problems, these should be problems that you know how to fix, that they generally have in that industry. So, once you have that part of the problems and you educate them on what happens, the outcomes, whether if they fix it on a haphazardly, or if they fix it correctly, or if they don't fix it, you have to educate them on what happens. So for instance, a personal trainer, they may not be able to go out to every client and have them work out in the gym that they are at. But you see that that's the problem. It is generating leads to get those clients in. How do they keep that going? Is by using social media, because they go to everywhere. It'll spread everywhere and they'll have those 30-day challenges. If they don't use that, you educate them on how that problem of generating leads that they're not using through their marketing for social media will affect their outcome on their client bases that they're trying to grow. They'll lose 15 to 20% of their clients. Now, once you've educated them, you relate with them. You know exactly how it feels to lose clients. You know exactly how it feels when you're limiting yourself on your progress. So if they understand that you understand, then there's nothing else to it but to provide a solution at that point. So once you provide the solution, this should be the answer to their problem. It should be, if they can't generate sales, then you show them what will, a program more than likely, that will help them generate sales. And they need something mainly like a virtual personal assistant at that, where it's going around all through different types of social medias. What could that be? There's different ones. You can use it for Facebook, you can use it for Instagram, YouTube. I'll provide the links below on the different ones that would benefit them. But for now, it's the P.E.R.S. Problems, educate, relate, solutions. If you haven't written that down, then you're playing with yourself. Stop playing with yourself. Stop looking around and watching me if you can't write it down at the same time. Because I'm here to build your business and I'm here to grow with you. So if you want to grow and cultivate your business, let's grow together.